Hello everyone, Ventoy is an open source tool to create bootable USB drive for ISO, WIM, IMG, VHD, and UEFI files. With Ventoy, you don't need to format the disk over and over, you just need to copy the image files to the USB drive and boot them directly. You can copy many files at a time, and Ventoy will give you a boot menu to select them. To download Ventoy, open website ventoy.net. When the web is open, click on Downloads. Click on .zip file. It will redirect it to github.com. Scroll down and select ventoy.zip file. After the download, extract zip file. Open folder and double-click ventoy2disk.exe file. When the window opens, connect your USB drive. Click the Install button and then select Yes. Once the installation is complete, just copy the ISO file of the operating system to USB. You can copy many files at a time, and Ventoy will give you a boot menu to select them. When you boot from USB drive, the system will show you every OS you have copied. Select the desired. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.